Hey guys, I'm Meagan Ethell, MasterCraft team athlete, and today we're going over some tips on how to start pumping your foil. Learning how to pump really opens your possibilities when using a foil, so let's get into it. When first learning the pumping motion, using a non-high aspect ratio wing will help you with your stability so you can better focus on your form. Once comfortable with the motion, you can graduate to a high aspect ratio wing. These are longer, thinner, and faster wings that are designed to have a lower drag, increasing the foil's gliding capabilities and your ability to pump longer. You can begin working on pumping by starting on the first wave. Start farther back on the wave and try to pump towards the boat. Once you're up on your foil maintaining a glide, focus on using your momentum to lift up and drive the foil forward. Try to be as light as possible when you're bringing the foil up, and then once you're up, push hard and drive the foil down. That is what creates momentum for pumping and what will propel you forward. You can think of the pumping motion like jumping on a trampoline, but absorbing the bounce. Push the board down like you are quickly jumping, then absorb it back up. Try to make the motion as fluid as possible. Once you're feeling comfortable with the pumping motion, try pumping outside of the wave. Also, using your arms is an option that can help you with the overall flow of the pump. Swinging your arms in a rhythm with your pump can also help to propel you forward. You'll then graduate to being able to pump the second wave, and then to the third wave and fourth, and so on. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us on any of our social platforms. And as always, thanks for being a part of the MasterCraft family. We'll see you on the water.